Hello everyone, it's Charlie and Patrice, and if you are new here, welcome. Today I'll be showing you how I installed and styled this gorgeous wig, so just keep on watching. This wig is from Luvme Hair. I received a 12-inch brown ombre loose wave wig. This wig comes with HD lace that blends in well with all skin tones, and the hairline is also pre-plucked. This wig is from their minimalistic line, which is perfect for beginners. You have a little lace in the front and also the parting area, and then the rest is tracks. This wig is very secure. You have 3 combs, an elastic band, and also it has the adjustable cap. So here I'm showing you how the wig look once I finish washing the hair and letting it air dry. So the first thing I'm going to do is apply my wax stick to the top, and then I'm going to take my hot comb and pass it through just to flatten it down to my liking. So I like the natural wave pattern, but I was going for kind of a different look. So all I'm going to do is take my curling wand and I'm going to curl the back of the wig because it's kind of harder for me to do it when I'm filming. So I'm curling the back of the wig. So after I curl the back, now I'm about to apply the wig, but first I have to cut the lace in the front. And after I cut the lace, I'm going to apply the wig, and after adjusting it to my liking, I'm going to take my curling wand and finish curling the rest of the hair. So now I'm combing out the curls, and I noticed they were tighter than I wanted. So I tried brushing the curls out, but it wasn't giving me the look I was going for. So I found my curling iron to have a larger barrel, so the curls can be, a little larger and not so tight. And I kind of like this look a little better, so I'm continuing to do that with the whole wig. So here I'm showing you how well the HD lace blends in, and the wig is completely glueless. I have no gel, spray, glue, or anything. So yeah, this is the final look. This wig is perfect for an everyday throw on and go wig. I wear this wig to work and I receive a lot of compliments. This wig is lightweight, easy to apply, and perfect for beginners. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I will have a link down below in the description bar so you can go ahead and check out this wig. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.